Hey guys, we're here at the Porsche Experience Center, about to hop in these fastest EV cars in the world, and we're really excited.
This is an opportunity for us to bring in our most important customers, do a little bit of team building with them, and spend some time with them thinking about their problems and how we can help bring solutions for them.
At Enel X Way, we now offer full engineering services to include project management, design, construction.
Our solution in comparison to most of the competitors is very nimble in the fact that we're not trying to target a specific market. We're really trying to expand and understand each business value with each of the partners that we're working with.
So WEX recognizes that their customers are slowly electrifying right now, so we are working to meet our customers where they are in that journey.
We've created value for our customers with our software. You can now get a whole fleet of charging stations. You're saving them money. They're using a company car. You can reimburse them. You can track it. You get data from that.
This is one of a very few number of partners that we have vetted and our customers have vetted to really provide excellent product, excellent price point, excellent customer service.
Everybody is talking about EV charging. Everybody needs a solution.
The favorite part of today was absolutely the takeoff.
My internal organs were like adjusted, and it was absolutely phenomenal.
It was pretty awesome. We got to then hop on the simulators, and then just getting to network with some folks both at Enel X Way and elsewhere in the industry.
I think my biggest takeaways is just how knowledgeable and how accessible the Enel X Way team is.
The more people we can get to adopt EVs and the wind and the solar and the clean energy, the better off we'll be in the future.
So Enel X Way realizes that not everyone is going to have the ability to charge at home or the workplace.
So we're going to deploy charging ports through really two methods. One will be direct sales to customers and also through distributors. These are going to be level 2 and level 3 DC fast charging.
Something that we are looking at now is where are the best places to put public charging,
so that you can find an Enel X Way charger out in the wild and have a charging experience that is reliable, sustainable.
So this is a way to address the concerns of the American public and make a pledge to help drive that industry along for EV adoption.
We don't just sell you a product. We're here for the long haul. We help you design it. We help you get it built. We help install it if you need installation. We also have the solar or the battery backup or the demand response if you need that to go with it. So we're a one-stop shop.